What's going on, guys? So today I've got another one and it's called Clipclaps. So you can get this app from Play Store. So just type in Clipclaps and you get this one with this icon. So let's open it up. Okay, so there are a number of ways you can make money with this app, and I'm going to show you some of them. All right. Okay, so we have the first one. um, this way you make money just for watching videos, so you get paid. As you can see, the timer on the bottom right here, so the timer will be moving as you watch the videos. Okay, as you watch those videos, you'll be getting those treasure chests, and those treasure chests will be you claim and you get some rewards like some clap coins. Alright, so you watch the videos and the timer reaches a treasure chest and you get that treasure chest, and that chest will have either clap coins and some other rewards. So let's start. So this is how you'll be watching the videos.
Cannot be that hard.
Alright, so as you can see, the timer is moving, so you continue watching and get as many treasure chests as you want. So the timer increases to get to the treasure chest the more you watch. So this is the first way. How you can make money with this app, as you can see. Now let's go on to rewards. So on the rewards section, we also have a spin. So let's spin together. Alright, so we have a mega spin. So wherever the pointer gets, we get some money. So hopefully you would want the spin to land here on $5. So let's try our luck. Alright, so we just got 1 cent. Alright, so let's go to the other lucky spins. So you spin for 4 times. So make sure you subscribe, guys. Alright, so there are extra spins. These spins we have to view some ads so that we can be able to spin. So you click on this ad, and then you click on the X, then you get to spin again. Alright, we get to spin again, so we have to watch another ad. Alright, so let's click on the X. Alright, so let's spin again. Okay, one last ad. Alright, so our last spin for the day. Alright, now let's go to the treasure chest and I'll show you what I was talking about. Alright, so we get clap coins, more clap coins. Alright, so these were just clap coins. Let's open another chest. Alright, now we have to convert these clap coins into dollars. So you click on the clap coins and you click on exchange. As you can see, 2000 clap coins gives you 0.02 USD, or in my country 7 ZW. Alright, so you click on cash exchange. Alright, so now our account balance now has $4. Okay, so there's another way you can make money with the bounty task. So let's click on that. So it's a new way to earn money, and I haven't checked it out, so you can check it out. Alright, so well, I'm not going to do that, but as you can see, you can earn up to 12,000 clap coins. So you just remove 3 zeros and you get $12 something cents for this one. Alright, so let's go back. So there's another way you can make money with Clipclaps. Okay, so you can upload videos. You just click on the upload button, and then when people watch your videos, you get paid. Alright, so let me show you some of the videos that I uploaded. Alright, so this is one of the videos. You just slide down and you can see the videos that I uploaded. Alright, now there's another way again. Alright, so this one is called the vote. It won't be available when you start, but as your account matures, you get the privileges to vote, and you earn as you vote. Alright, so you'll be voting funny or not funny, right? Alright. Alright, so this is how you'll be voting, and you'll be shown the funny or not percentage. So as you watch it, you get those clip coins, and yeah, that's how you earn by voting. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Make sure you share, you subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.